Hi, my name is Doug Thompson. I'm out of Jacksonville, Florida, with Titan Outdoor Solutions. We feature a louvered system and then brought Renaissance on 3.5 years ago as a supplement, and it's just been nothing but fantastic for us so far. So what Renaissance really did for our company is we had this niche that we couldn't fill in as far as price point. So whereas louvered systems can be upwards of $50,000 pretty easy on a pretty standard size, it put a quality item into a more affordable price point, and it has been done extremely well with the middle range, which nothing else really hits. Using the build tools like the online estimator, it's just set up like a franchise. Like literally, it's you log in, you can do a quote in the house, you can set your prices the way you want them. You can pretty much close a deal off of what Renaissance gives you on an app.